Today we are going to build an amazing desktop pet robot. In this video, I will show you the complete process step by step, including the circuit diagram, the Arduino code, the 3D model design, the assembly process, and all the components used to bring this cute little robot to life. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how this desktop robot pet works. First, you will need an ESP32-C3 Super Mini. Next, you will need an OLED display. This small but very clear screen will act as the face of our desktop pet robot. Now you will need a touch sensor. Next, take a few jumper wires to connect all the components to. Now take a breadboard and start assembling the components. First, place the OLED display on the breadboard, and then carefully insert the ESP32 Super Mini. The breadboard will help us connect everything easily without soldering, making it simple to organize the circuit and test our desktop pet robot. Now attach the touch sensor on the breadboard. Now take a few jumper wires and start connecting them to the components. Carefully attach the wires between the ESP32 Super Mini, the OLED display, and the touch sensor to complete the circuit. These connections will allow all the components to communicate with each other so our desktop pet robot can function properly. Now open the Arduino IDE on your computer. Select the correct board and port from the Tools menu, then upload the code to the ESP32 Super Mini. Once the code is uploaded successfully, great! Your desktop pet robot is now working correctly. If every OLED display, ready to interact and respond to your touch. Now solder the battery wires to the charging module connected to the chip. This will allow the battery to power the ESP32 Super Mini and also enable convenient recharging when needed. Make sure the positive and negative terminals are connected correctly to ensure safe and stable operation of the robot. Now attach the power button to control the on and off function of the robot. After that, connect the touch sensor so the robot can detect your touch and respond with different actions. Finally, attach the OLED display, which will act as the robot's face and show its expressions and animations.
Now attach all the wires to the ESP32 Super Mini to complete the circuit. Carefully connect each wire to the correct pins so that the OLED display, touch sensor, power button, and other components can communicate properly with the microcontroller.
Now carefully place and assemble the entire circuit inside the 3D model of the pet. Make sure all the components fit properly in their designated positions and that the wires are arranged neatly so nothing gets damaged during assembly. Now your desktop pet robot is completely ready to use. First, turn on the power switch and wait a few seconds for the OLED display to start. Once the display is active, simply touch the sensor to change the robot's animation and watch your little desktop pet respond with different expressions. Visit ArduinoExpert.com